So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, sa pre-agency naman ang ating mga pag-uusapan kabola. Meron pong 3 players na pinapirma po ang Blackwater at pag-uusapan natin yon. And then of course, we will also put focus dito po kay Ray Parks at the possibility that he will return. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So i-round down muna natin itong mga pinapirma po ng Blackwater Elite kabola. If you remember kabola, nabanggit na po natin sa mga recent video natin or nabasa nyo naman na siguro that nagpakawala nga sila ng mga big mans, diba? Cliff Hopia kabola, that is now with Magnolia Hotshots, which is talaga nagulat tayo kung bakit po nila yun ginawa. And then pati si Bradwin Quinto. Now they signed 3 new players kabola. Ang una lang napapirma is si Nick Demusis kabola. Now, Demusis, naalala mo ba to? So, sa Rain or Shine po siya unang nakapaglaro. Kabola, nagtagal din naman siya doon, kabola, until, of course, nawala din po siya sa PBA. And ang pinaka-recent niya na issue is yung naging pagbana sa kanya ni Romero, yung import po ng Meralco Ball sa EASL. Now, ito pong si Demusis, I'm actually excited to see him in a team that should be more open to give him playing time kung siya po ay magpe-perform. Okay, so Demusis, hindi naman po ito special no sa offensive end. Pero si Demusis po, kabola, is kinda very good on the defensive end kasi he's a versatile defender. He can defend from forward position to the point guard position and very active siya po na player. So, if he performs well, baka may pakita po niya na mas deserving pa po siya ng long-term PBA career. Now, pinapirma din po ng Blackwater ang isa pang big man na si James Sena. Kabola. Malam, pamilyar naman po ay James Sena, pabalik-balik po ito. And although nagtagal na siya dati sa Blackwater bossing, no? Nung sa umpisa po ng Blackwater, the first few years po ng Blackwater, so hindi rin naman nakakagulat na sila po nagpapirma po sa kanya dito po sa pagbabalik niya po sa PBA. Of course, there's nothing special about James Sena. He is a hardworking veteran, kabola. Of course, he is skilled, he is undersized, and to me, to be honest, I do not see the point of getting him in favor po of Hopia at saka si Ginto. Si Ginto kasi, yan, may scoring sa loob and he can defend kasi he's very strong yung mga giants po of the league. At of course, Hopia is still papusok pa lang po sa prime niya and he is 6'9", diba? So, I'm not sure kung bakit mas pinili po nila isang James Sena. Although maybe this is the decision of Patrick Aquino, the new coach po ng Blackwater bossing. Then, the last guy that they signed is yung dati naglaro na rin naman po sa kanila na si Kib Montalvo. So, si Kib Montalvo, diba, nakilala nyo ito? Diba, the start point guard of Asia daw. Kabola, so naglaro po siya sa TNT ng medyo matagal until napunta po siya sa Blackwater bossing. Unfortunately, yung mga numero niya po sa Blackwater bossing is hindi na rin naman po kagila-gilalas. Ano po? Although yung last recorded niya po na stats sa TNT is hindi na rin talaga kagila-gilalas kasi he's shooting just around 36%, no? Yung kanya efficiency talaga is down bad. Pero just like Demusis, what makes Montalvo interesting is his defense. He should also be a big guard, kabola, and he can easily play the point guard position and he will be a big point guard kung yun po yung ibibigay po sa kanya ng position. Overall, out of these 3 signings, Demusis is the most interesting one, pero I do not think that this will be a needle mover para po dito sa team po ng Blackwater bossing. Now, let's talk about this nangyari po kay Bobby Ray Parks. So, si Bobby Ray Parks, kabola, hindi pala nangyari, no? Or the rumors. But before that pala, no? Sa mga gusto pong mag-comment dyan, please comment. Kasi kami po ay masipag pong mag-reply. Now, Bobby Ray Parks signed a new deal to stay po in Japan Billy kasi he's really doing well there. He's really doing well. They really appreciate his two-way play. Pero now, of course, the fans, after pong ma-announce ang pagpunta po ni Coach Jimmy Alabag sa NLEX para po maging kanilang bagong head coach, agad pong na-open up ito nga pong relasyon ni Ray Parks dito po kay Coach Jimmy Alabag. Anong sinasabi ko relasyon? Although I'm talking about this close relationship nung sila po magsama din as assistant coach ata nito si Coach Jimmy. That, Bobby Ray Parks is really appreciative of Coach Jimmy Alabag. sabi niya, he's like a father figure. So, a lot of fans are asking now how big is the possibility that Bobby Ray Parks will return and help. Ito pong si Coach Jimmy Alapag. Di ba? The possibility that he will return. Kasi nga po, di ba, ito na. There is now a head coach that he can appreciate siguro to play for. And he's also under the banner of the MVP group. So, mas madali, no? Kung dati, si Coach Chot Reyes, si Coach Tim Cone, kasi kabola, yung head coach na na-appreciate niya din, pero nasa kabilang kampo. Pero now, si Coach Jimmy Alapag is now here in NLEX, so a trade could happen. Diba? It will be much easier to do. So, at kahit nga rights muna yung matrade, di ba? Possibility na yan. Although, of course, may 1 year nga pong naperman si Ray Parks dun po sa International League Kabola. And now, with that 1 year po, so hindi pa siya makakabalik within that 1 year. Pero, after that contract, pwede na po siyang bumalik. And that could be perfect. Di ba? Perfect lang po na pagbalik yon. And a trade could happen now para po makabalik po siya. Pagbalik niya, and next na po yung may hawak ng race niya. Again, those are just possibilities. Although, di ba, tingnan din natin, kabola, kung gaano po kalaking leeway ang ibibigay talaga sa NLEX. Are they really a legit team now? Kasi at TNT Legend is handling their team. If that is the case, then I expect Coach Jimmy to try and get Ray Parks. Kasi I do believe, if bumalik po si Ray Parks, top 5 PBA player agad po yan. MVP caliber player agad po yan. That guy is a two-way player, proven defender. Kabola, dun po sa Japan B-League, which is a higher level league than the PBA, is also a proven play finisher. Kabola, nung nandito siya, he can do everything. Rebound, make plays for his teammates. It's really special. Kabola. So, that can happen again if he returns. Speaking of his special player, you can also say that ito po si Rafi Ribes is a very, very special player. At 48 years old, he is still in the PBA. Kasi nakapirma na naman po siya ng isang conference sa kontrata with Phoenix. Surprise. Diba? Ang nakasabay niya po na mag-tryout po dito, kabola, is si Bradwin Quinto, yung pinakawalin po ng Blackwater Bossing. And it seems like ang pinili po ng Phoenix is si Rafi Ribes, which is again surprising kasi Ginto is a true inside operator. Pero mas pinili po na si Ribes. Ay nako, hindi ko alam bakit po palaging si Ribes ang pinipili. Anong meron kay Ribes? Diba? Maybe talagang sinumatsamba lang din si Ribes kasi he's a veteran. Totoo naman, talagang mahaba po siya kabola, 6'8", 6'9". Kabola, most likely yung footwork niya okay pa. Kaya po siya napapaperma. So, pero sa Converge, di na po siya pinaglaro. Sa Magnolia, di na po siya pinabalik. Di ba? Pero now, he is in Phoenix. Do we expect him to play in Phoenix? I doubt it. Malamang sa practice po ito, yung veteran presence po ang idadala niya. Pero maganda rin, kung maglaro siya rin, tignan natin kung dapat pa po siya makalaro. Ikaw ba kabola? Sa palagay mo, tamang desisyon ng Phoenix. Comment lang po sa baba.